I have a problem. I keep buying cool stuff. Without really having an idea what I'm going to do with it. Like this fire bucket that's been sat in the garden for a few years, and something that came with it as well. A fire axe. This has moved around the workshop several times, so it's about time I did something with it. I don't intend to use it, but this thing is incredibly blunt. So I think the first job, let's get it sharpened. I'm going to get my Tormac T4 set up and see if we can put an edge on this. I have a jig that's going to help me get a consistent angle while sharpening this. Blade looks much better, but the rest of the body of this is a bit on the rusty side. So I have some wet and dry paper. I'm going to give this a bit of a clean up. Now it's always tricky with removing the rust because I don't want to remove the age, and I think I've got the balance just right. So I am going to oil the handle, but we're going to do that later. But for now, it's working great. Now I've got it nice, I don't want to stick it back up on a shelf or in a drawer. I want to get it on the wall, and I think it's going to fit perfectly here. I have a piece of pine I'm going to use as a bracket, so I'm just going to get it measured and cut on the table saw. So the plan is to make a little cutout for this to slot into, and what I have is a Forstner bit to drill a hole for the shaft of this. So that's the first job. I've got a hole in here, but I want the axe to slide in. So I'm just going to draw down and then cut along those lines to open this up. Because this axe has an interesting size head, it's not going to sit nicely in this slot I've cut. I'm going to need to remove some more material. So I'm going to get it marked out and then cut away. I think that's going to work well. Now I've got a second piece of wood I'm going to get that glued onto to make a little bracket. While this sets up, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea. To get this on the wall, I'm going to need a couple of holes in it for screws. So Gonna get a couple of those drilled before doing anything else. My windowsills are black in here, so I'm going to get this stained with some India ink to match. Now I'm going to seal this up using some beeswax oil. I said earlier about doing something to help protect this handle. So while I've got this finish out, I'm going to get some brushed on and allow to soak into this. Last job then is to get this put up on the wall. I think it looks nice up there. Much better than being stuck in a drawer on a shelf or not being used for, I think it's about 3 years now. So my idea was I'm just going to put it there as a bit of decoration. I think it looks nice, but after I gave it a sharpen, it's quite usable. So I've got the fire bucket as well. I think what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to use it to put my kindling in. I always split all my scraps of wood and save them because my mum's got a wood burner and they go over to their hearth, so perfect place to store them. So that's two things I bought about 3 years ago and have done nothing with them, finally being put to use. It means I can go out and buy some more cool stuff. Maybe I need to do something with them sooner than 3 years though this time. So thank you for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.